Audi's most up-to-date A6 has brought forth its Wagon body style, which the German automaker alludes to as an Avant. Divulged on Wednesday, the new A6 Avant goes on special in Europe in the not-so-distant future, yet tragically there's no say on the off chance that we'll see it in the United States. Audi's neighborhood division skirted the passage to center around the A7, and it's conceivable a similar will be genuine by and by. The most up-to-date A6, the fifth era of the nameplate, is maybe considerably more great-looking in its Wagon body style. Obviously it's more pragmatic as well. There's a liberal 20 cubic feet of trunk space when the back seats are upright, however crease these down and space grows to 59.3 cubic feet. The back end and the storage compartment cover open electrically as standard, and inside there's an arrangement of rails to help secure any products you're conveying. The A6 Avant likewise accompanies a tensioning tie, a net and two snares, and an accessible load securing pack with a movable bar and latch permits individual segmenting of the storage compartment. The A6 Avant measures 16.4 feet long, making it 2 or 3 inches longer than the car. Furthermore, much the same as the vehicle, the A6 Avant can be yoked with customizable air suspension rather than the standard steel springs. The inside of all A6 models looks extremely current. Truth be told, it could without much of a stretch be something you find in a cutting-edge idea. The outline mixes cutting-edge cool and moderation, together with customary components, for example, calfskin and wood. The Superstar is the new interface which incorporates two touch screens, 10.1 and 8.6 inches, in the inside stack through which most orders are executed. A third screen estimating 12.3 inches fills in as the instrument bunch. The new A6 in-vehicle pretense achieves showrooms in the not-so-distant future as a 2019 model. We'll get only one powertrain at dispatch, a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 with mellow half-and-half tech. The motor will be matched to a 7-speed double-grip transmission and convey 340 strength and 369 pound-feet of torque, liable to each of the four wheels as standard. Audi is required to in the long run offer an A6 E-Tron module crossbreed, and you can depend on there being lively S6 and RS6 choices as well. However, the last won't not make it to the US. The active RS6 is just accessible as a wagon, and if the same is valid for its successor, we likely won't see it here.